Welcome to London Kids Academy.
Welcome friends, come join the fun. The ABC Carnival has just begun. Each letter shines with a special sound. Let's sing and dance as we go around. A is for acrobats, flipping so high, reaching the sky. B is for balloons, bouncing with glee, say it with me. C is for cotton candy swirl, sweet for every girl and boy. D is for drums, tap and play, dance all day. E is for elephants marching by, lift trunks high. F is for fireworks in the night, sparkling bright. G is for hoops that spin and glide, oh ho ho, arms open wide. I is for ice cream, cold and neat, such a treat. J is for juggler, jelly beans fly, up to the sky. K is for kites in the breeze, flying with ease. L is for lights that glow and shine, blinking in line. M is for magic with hats and flair, tricks everywhere. N is for noodles, twist and twirl, give it a whirl. O is for octopus with arms so wide, spin and glide. P is for popcorn, up it goes, like star shows. Q is for quack from a duck on track, give one back. R is for coasters roaring fast, what a blast. S is for sparkles in the night, soft and bright. T is for tent, come explore, what fun's in store. U is for ensemble, balance and spin, try to win. V is for vest, glowing bright, what a sight. W is for whistles, marching tune, tweet it soon. X is for sonophone, tap and ring, XXX, let it sing. Y is for yo-yo, up and down, yeah, spin it around. Z is for Zany Zoo, wild and free, come laugh with me.